Hi guys, so angazi noma niyamkhumbula uLulu Menziwa, the teacher omikahle opakishile guys. Remember she was trending this at a time, I'm not sure if it was last year or last of last year, where the guy that she's with, like with video, so this guy was married like with 4 kids, and then he left the wife for uLulu. So manje uLulu posted this video. I don't even know why she posted this video, because wow, it's so embarrassing and it is so sad to watch. Uyambona nje uguy ukuthi he's busy on his phone, obviously chatting with other girls. Come on, what else? Abafana guys, yo. Anyway guys, this video was on TikTok and obviously people had a lot to say about this. Let's see. Othi lona unobu special kodwa lo sis. Hayibo guys, lo muntu uthisha phela kanjani manje? Yazi nini? He's on the phone with the wife. Hey, asazi shem yena waziyo. Idomoroza leli, you can't convince me otherwise. Problem, he made his decision. Now he must tolerate it. I'm convinced they're tolerating each other. Is he still wearing his ring? It looks like that guys. Asazi ke kodwa ke ukuthi ngabe le ringi leya yomshado noma enye ringi asinayisho, but iringi yona ifakile. Ingqondo ayikho la, isezinqeni ayini bafethu. He's busy talking to the love of his life. She's disturbing him. Hey guys, abafana, you never know, hey. Akuwona wonke amadoda athanda icamera. Ayibo leni yayithanda icamera kade babeshuthana. That's how we know them. That's how we know him, cause bekashutha. We like na he's supposed to post yena uLulu lo. Post lo bhuti lo uyithanda kabi icamera. Uyena nje wazi ukuthi ungiziwelana ugele. Sometimes we are alone when we are with someone. The grass is not green on the other side now. Hey bafethu, kuyenzakala. The new love difedile. Reality has kicked in. Diaboa. Hey guys, kwa love lives here. Bayabusa oLulu ngokuthandwa indoda eyashiya umfazi wayo enabantwana abawu4. Yena buyithemba kanjani ukuthi ngeke imshiye? Hey bafethu, a baby is on the phone with someone else. Obviously, angiyadlala guys, not obviously, probably, maybe, we don't know. I wouldn't post this, nami shame. Never. Special adults lona, no guys. That's not true. She's a teacher. Come on. It hates you. Maybe he was just too busy, guys. We don't know. A man cannot be snatched. He decided ufuna ogundinda. That's all. Next year we'll hear when life gives you lemons. Hey kunzima. The fact that she's trying to convince everyone that she's happy, it's a sign. He thought she was on a live. How do you say hello while you're on the phone? This was so sad to watch. It was, guys. Yo, I mean, I wasn't gonna post this for real. Anyway, guys, that's it from me. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.